Hi, I'm Jody and I'm the editor-in-chief of Auto Trader. And one of my top tips for when you're selling your car is to get the safety certification done ahead of time. And that's basically a mechanic's full report on the health of your vehicle. And it's useful to have for a couple of reasons. Number one is that a buyer is going to need that certification anyway to get a license plate. And if you save them the trouble of having to do it themselves, it's all about convenience, and I bet they'd be willing to pay extra for it. The second is that it's really useful to know everything that's wrong with your car ahead of time, so you can either repair it and get top dollar for it, or you could be fully transparent with the buyer about all the stuff they'll have to deal with once they take ownership, because honesty is the best policy. And it's also important to keep in mind that that safety certification expires after a period of time. It's 36 days where I live in Ontario, so just keep that in mind. And if you're looking for more tips and advice, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel because I know you love us.